going to be about nerves, it's going to be about skills, son. Can't get bigger than this.
Gets into a very good position to be able to play this particular shot.
Yeah, I think playing over the years in the same team, the role keeps on changing. You keep on understanding the vibe in the team or the culture we have created from so many years. So you tend to think that you can spread the same language to the newcomers. So it's not an added responsibility. I really enjoy doing it. Recent outings were really good. I think if you don't look at the results part, I think I've been really enjoying the 4 to 5 months I've been spent with the Indian cricket team. I think I really enjoyed it. I think I'm looking forward for more matches from the Indian team. No, I think the team has changed, the players have changed, the setup has changed. I think we have been selecting one of the best players around the world. I think if you look at the Rajasthan Royals team on the list, I think we are one of the topmost team in the IPL. I think so. I think we are not the underdogs now. I think we are one of the topmost contenders for the tournament. Absolutely. I think that's very right. I think everyone will be starting from zero, no home, no away matches. So everyone will be facing the same challenges. I think so. It will be very exciting to see how it goes. It really helps. I think it really helps. I think we have been setting a very nice culture from last two years. I think we are having the world champions in our team, so that really helps. That really helps the youngsters to understand what does it takes to reach there. So Steve was here when he was young, and then he's a legend now. So we know what all it took for him to reach there, and I think he keeps on spreading the same messages to the youngsters and me as well. So it's really good to have everyone in the team. I'm not much worried about my consistency. I think I would like to play the same way. I think my style is to play fearlessly. So I know that if I play fearlessly, the chances of failing are more. So I've accepted that. But at the same time, I will just look to win matches for my team. So my individual role definitely really, I've prepared it for last 4-5 months. So let's see how it goes. I think I don't think that if we are fit enough, I think if you play competitive cricket all around the year, every match is an opportunity to show what you are made of. So I really look up to each and every match I play, even if it's a domestic match or an IPL or Indian team match. So every match is played. I think I've learned to give the same effort and same preparation or same. It doesn't changes. I think so. It will keep on going the same, but. Performance and selections are not at all dependent on my ability, so I would like to leave it to the selectors or the other people. It's really amazing. I think he is one of the best bowlers, quickest bowlers in the world right now. So in the playing in the Rajasthan Royals nets from last 4-5 years has been really challenging. We have had people bowling more than 140, 150 Ks easily. So I think playing Jofra is a bit challenging, but at the same time, we all enjoy our small competition having in the nets. Yeah. I think both of them are very different, but at the same time, I've really learned that whatever they believe, whatever they do, they think that that's the best for them. So that's the simplest thing which I've learned from them.